It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Thanks for joining me today. I am going to show you how to make avocado toast for one person, a single serving. This is so quick and easy that I know you're going to love it and want to make it all the time. Now next week, I'm going to show you a video of how to make avocado toast for maybe a family. And it will have different toppings, but today's it's just down and dirty, quick and easy, and you're gonna love it. Now, it's important that you are working with ripe avocados for this. Normally, when you're buying them in the store, they're not very ripe, they're green. So you can put them in a paper bag, and in 1 or 2 days, they're going to be nicely ripened. You can also do it on your windowsill, but it seems to take longer. So as you can see, these have turned, they were green, and they've turned a darker color. You know that they're ready when you press along the top, and you can press in just slightly. And you do want a ripe avocado for this. This avocado toast is going to come together so quickly that I've already prepared my plate, and I have a slice of rye bread toasting on the griddle. You can toast it in a regular toaster or however you would like to do that. Okay, here we go. I've got my avocado, and in case you don't know how to cut them, you just take your knife, and there's a big pit in the middle, and you run your knife around that pit. Then you twist it, and the side that has the pit, just put your knife into and turn it. Now for the fun part, I just start mashing this right in the avocado, and this saves another dish, because if I'm just making it for myself or I'm just making it for my grandson, I don't necessarily want a lot of dishes, and this can just save one. So you can see this one was ripe enough. It's actually mashing up right in this shell. I'm going to loosen it along the edges. I want to get all of that mashed up. See, I'm just turning it. I mean, you could maybe do it quicker in a bowl, but like I said, I like to save dishes. Just turn it over a little bit, keep mashing, and I want it a little bit chunky. So there it is, it's mashed up. I'm gonna put it on my toast. I only use 1/2 avocado per serving. So that other half of avocado, I will put lemon juice or lime juice on the cut edge and then just put it in the fridge. I like to season it with smoked salt and a tiny bit of crushed pepper. I like this everything bagel seasoning on it. And there you have it. You can slice it in half. I like to do that. It's a little easier to pick up and eat. There you go. That probably took under 5 minutes. So here you have it. Avocado toast, quick, easy, single serving. I hope you like it. And next week, come and see how to make avocado for a whole family.